I am ticking Ngāti Rangi in the census.
Ka toongia ea ko Ngāti Rangi te iwi.
I'm ticking Ngāti Rangi in the census.
It's just a few minutes of your time for the prosperity of our future generations. Help us as an iwi to make informed decisions based on good data. This is for all of our futures, so we as Ngāti Rangi Uri can continue to vibrantly exist for 1,000 years. Filling it out online is simple, and you can identify up to 5 iwi. In section 2, after you tick yes, you know the name of your iwi. A new question asks you to name them. If you start typing Ngāti Rangi, it appears in the drop box. It's also really important you add Rupuhu in the region field so no one gets confused. If you prefer the paper version, the Whakapapa section starts at question 11. On question 13, you can identify up to 5 iwi by writing their name. As with the online version, it's equally important that you write Rupuhu in the rohe or region section. Fill in your census form by the 6th of March. E tu tātou.
I'm ticking Ngāti Rangi on the census.
Tohungia ko Ngāti Rangi tōku iwi.
I'm ticking Ngāti Rangi in the census. Are you, Wano?